Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery from a remote control for a Kia Niro from the years 2017 and 2020. All you need is this CR2032 lithium battery. I will put a link here where you can purchase one, and a flat screwdriver. So to begin, you need to push this silver button to remove this actual key. See, this is where the actual key is here. And here you see you have the hole where the key came out, and you have this place. You put a flat screwdriver here and twist. Once you started to twist, you see that the remote can be opened like this. Do it very gently. See here where is the battery is, and you need to get it out very, very gently. You don't need to use a lot of force. That's it. Put the silver trim back in, just like we took it out. You do in the reverse. Put it in. Before you close it, press it, and you can see the light here. So it means that the battery is good. And again, putting those silver trims back in and closing it just like it was before. Don't need to put a lot of force, very gently again. You can see the red light here turning on, and that's it. Put the keys here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more videos to how to fix things in your Kia Niro, please check out my channel. Thank you very much.